If cables exit downward from a tray without a dropout plate, what potential issue could arise? Insulation and conductor stress. Information on cable tray ampacity can be found in NEC Section 392-180. When installing cables in vertical trays, they should be supported according to manufacturer's recommendations. Conduit must be secured to cable tray with proper fittings when used for cable drops. True. What is the name of a four-way cable tray fitting with each branch at a 90-degree angle? Cross, please be sure to like and subscribe for more.